The Champion 11,000-watt inverter generator offers impressive power output, making it ideal for both home backup and outdoor projects. With its wireless remote start, you can conveniently control the generator from a distance of up to 80 feet, enhancing user convenience. Its robust 459 cubic centimeter Champion engine ensures reliable performance even in cold weather, thanks to its cold start technology. Operating at a noise level of 64 decibels from 23 feet, this generator runs quieter than many of its counterparts. The generator includes a variety of outlet options, accommodating different power needs with its versatile connectivity. Champion's commitment to customer satisfaction is reflected in their 3-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support.